Prepare a clear landscape handover package that ensures the garden is healthy, documented, and easy for new owners to maintain. Start by creating a concise plant inventory that lists each species, age, sun and water needs, pruning schedules, and any seasonal care notes. Map out the irrigation system with zone descriptions, typical run times, and a simple weekly schedule adjusted for season, and include a schematic of controller settings and how to manually run each valve. Leave written instructions for common tasks such as mulching, fertilizing, deadheading, and winter protection. And pack a small labeled kit with extra mulch, slow release fertilizer, and spare drip emitters. If you work with local vendors for mowing, pruning, or pest control, transfer contact details and any pending service agreements so the new owner can continue consistent care. Remove any clearly diseased or heavily infested plants and note what treatments were used recently to avoid surprises. Finally, tidy up by trimming overgrowth, edging beds, and watering deeply 2 to 3 days before keys change so the landscape looks and feels maintained at handover. Common mistakes are leaving vague or incomplete documentation, which causes confusion and inconsistent care. Solve this by providing a single folder or digital file with the plant list, irrigation map, schedules, and vendor contacts. Another issue is transferring responsibility without transferring supplies, leaving new owners without the correct materials. Solve this by packing a small starter supply of mulch, fertilizer, and spare irrigation parts, and noting preferred product brands and concentrations. A third concern is not removing problem plants, which can spread disease after move out. Solve this by removing symptomatic specimens, treating suspect soil if practical, and clearly flagging any areas that need follow-up treatment. BigHomeProjects.com helps by letting us post our handover documents, contractor contacts, and plant lists so homeowners can find local professionals to continue landscape care. We also host a discussion community where we and other users can ask questions, share tips, and connect with contractors seeking work.